Hey everybody, it's a Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to do a review for you on my 16-piece meal prep glass dish set. Let's do it! One of the things that I really like about these glass meal prep dishes is I like the good quality of the glass. They're nice and thick. I also love the lids that snap on easy. You open that little tab, pop it down, pop the lid down, close the tab. When you want to open the lid, pop that tab open, it releases the air and it just comes right off. Otherwise it's airtight. Can't beat that. I like these because not only can you freeze them, you can store, do meal prep and freeze dishes. You can also use these in the oven, in the dishwasher. You can use them in the Instant Pot. And if you follow me, you know I do a lot of Instant Pot cooking. I love the pretty color of the liner of the lids. And I like also, if they get dirty, there's a separation place here where you can pull them out and wash them, dry them, and then just put them right back into place. I also like that these nest very well. Just put them right inside. It stacks well, put another one in. The square ones nest inside of each other as well. So I would have to give these dishes a double thumbs up. I really like them. Thank you so much for watching this review. I will leave a link down below where you can find these dishes as well. This is Amazon's choice, and I think it'll be yours too. Thanks again for watching, my friend. God bless. Bye.